Hey guys, I'm back again. This is the final product for the Smith & Wesson J-frame round butt grips. Show you how to, you always put them in a cookie tin once you put the coats on them so that no air gets on them when you don't want it to. Just keep all the dust particles off so that you don't have to, sand it in between coats. These turned out remarkably well. These are, it brings out all the wood grain. The medallions are all just popping. This is the desired outcome that you want. It's very grippy still in the checkering. The back is smooth, sanded smooth, but not too much, just a little bit. Yeah, this is what they look like. This is what you want them to look like. The bottoms, they're just, and they will keep looking better the longer the finish is on them. I think this is 6 coats. I think I put 6 coats on these. Yeah, this is what the finished product looks like. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for commenting. And for my Instagram viewers, thanks for liking. Thanks for giving me a thumbs up. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much.